to Dinah Anno, and in today's video, guys, if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Please subscribe. Okay, please subscribe. And if you're an old subscriber, thanks for stopping by. So in today's video, guys, I want to show you guys how to apply eyeshadow. This is another eyeshadow tutorial to help people who are still struggling, you know, who want to learn how to do makeup but they are still struggling. But this is eyeshadow edition. I'll be using this palette. This is the Lydia Stanley palette. I love this palette, guys. It's so pigmented. So I already finished off my face. If you want to know how to do concealer and highlighting, eyebrows, I already have tutorials on those, and I would be linking them down in the description bar. So this is how the palette looks like. I've already reviewed this, which I would also leave down in the comment section. So if you're a beginner and you actually want to do a look that would like stand out and you have no idea on what to do, the easiest thing to do would be to choose a single shadow. So for this look today, first of all, one thing you would need to do would be to apply this. This is a primer. I'm going to apply this on my eye. I already have concealer on my eyes, but the primer is going to also be like an extra assurance that my eyeshadow will show up perfectly well. Okay, that's done. The next thing you would need is brushes. For brushes, these are blending brushes. This is a smaller blending brush, which will be like a precise brush that would allow you to just put the eyeshadow on the specific area you want, but this one will spread this, so this will be easy to blend and just diffuse and mix colors together. And then you would also need this flat brush in case we are adding shimmer or stuff to our lid, but today we are just doing a single shadow, so we are only going to be using the blending brushes. Okay, the shadow we are going to use today, what color should I use? What color should we use today? Okay, I think we should go with this Guno. This pink here is a deep pink, so I think we should go with Guno. Now we can also use our flat brush anyway. Let's use the flat brush. What you should do is, once the funny thing is I've never used that shadow, so let me use it today. What you should do is dip it into the shadow, and then since it's a single shadow, the easiest way to blend single shadow for somebody that is just starting out, that still doesn't understand the dynamics of how the eye works, then you place it here. Oh my god, look at that pigmentation, guys. So just place it on your lid and follow your eye shape, please. So just keep applying and reinforcing. If you notice, for now I'm not spreading, I'm just tapping in, and I have powder under my eyes. The powder under my eyes would actually help with fallout. It will help to trap any kind of fallout, so it will fall on the powder and I'll just dust it off after. But this palette is not giving me fallout. If you've noticed, there's no fallout. So just keep applying it on your lid for now. We are not spreading it yet. This method would also work for if you're doing like a smoky eye. This method would also work for it. It's like a smoky eye we are doing, but this time we are not using a dark color. So now that I think I'm satisfied with the pigmentation I'm getting, I can now start to blend out the edges. You can now start to diffuse the edges a bit, so that there's no harshness. And to further blend the edges, I would go in with this neutral color here. This, or if you have your normal body powder, your exact shade, you can use it to blend like that. So I'm going to go in with that, and I'm going to use this to blend out this piece. You see, game changer. And if you notice, I'm using the brush that has like a wider, the more fluff The more fluffier and wider brush is what I'm using to blend out the eyeshadow, and I'm blending it into my brow bone, so I don't mind it spreading. This one will spread the shadow, so that's what we are doing. Diffusing. Continue to diffuse until you are satisfied, and you can see there is no line. So I think that color is a bit lost, so I'm going to go back now and reinforce that color on my eyes. I'm going to reapply it more. And if you notice, this is matte shadow, so this can also go for how to apply work with matte shadows even on your lid. So I'm adding it more now. I'm enforcing it more. I'm enforcing it more. I'm using my front camera, guys. I'm sorry if the front camera doesn't really show. What am I doing? The front camera doesn't really show. Can you see the amount of products coming out of that? And yet I don't have any fallout. Lydia Stanley, you did something with this palette. Like, you did a good one on this palette. Okay, Lydia Stanley and Ezekiel Cosmetics, I mean. So right now, let me use this opportunity to tell you guys, okay, I have another YouTube channel, and on that YouTube channel, I talk about skincare. Like, I review skincare products, soap, you know, anything related to the skin to maintain your skin. Okay, and I also have a blog, which I will be linking both of them down in the description bar. The link to my blog. On my blog too, for people that always complain like, hey, we don't have data to watch your videos, hey, we don't do this, I have a blog, so you can go and read my blog. It's skintalkwithdee.blogspot.com. I'm also going to leave the link to that blog down in the description bar. So if you're interested in skincare, like you need products, you want to know about products to help you with your skin, then please check out that blog. Check out my blog or my other YouTube channel. So that's it. I'm done for these eyes. And you can see I actually still left somewhere that I did not, close to my, on my brow bone, I did not blend the shadow there totally. So it kind of like makes the eye pop more, because it makes your brow more pronounced and then just gives your eyes this sexiness. And you can see the way I blended it. I blended it in my eye shape. Like, I have my eye shape is as if my eye is closing and it's just straight. So you see, I blended it up to give my eyes this cat effect, so that people don't notice so much that my eye is just straight like this. I hope I'm explaining this well. Oh, I really do hope. So that's it, guys. We are done for these eyes. We can now move to the next eye. So it's the same process. I'm just going to speed it up. I'm not going to say anything. Okay, guys, so that's it, but we are not done. Okay, the next thing to do would be to line your eyes. Either you're using lashes or not, the next thing to do would be to line our eyes. So to line the eyes, I'll be using this brush, but in case you do not have, normally eyeliners, liquid eyeliners normally come with applicator. Even gel liners like this come with applicator, and lately I've been loving gel liners so much because it makes the eyeshadow application so easy. Like, it's easy to just put it on like the liquid. So look at it. So I'm going to dip it into the liquid eyeliner, and then I already have a tutorial on this too if you want to know how to draw liner. So guys, we are almost done. To finish up the look, we are going to apply shadow under our eyes. I already did my eyelashes, and if you want to know how to fix false eyelashes, there's another tutorial coming up after this one on how to fix false eyelashes. So I got you guys. Okay, I got you under our eyes. This is optional. Like, the look is already cool like this, but let's go. So I'm going to go back into this brown and pink, and I will mix the brown and the pink. We use Gunu and Omba. I'm going to mix them. I think I'm in love with this Gunu now. I don't know why I never used it before. I'm going to use it under my eyes. I should have done this when there was still powder under my eyes, okay? Yeah, but because I know there's not much fallout, but there's no fallout cell from this palette, I'm confident enough to do this. So please guys, make sure that you do this step when there's still powder under your eyes. Okay, just smudge it out. I'm putting it with a light hand because I already finished up my face. So just, yeah, that's all. Then apply mascara to my bottom lash. I don't fix bottom eyelashes, no. This is crazy. I think I have foundation or something inside my eyes. I can see it. All right. So guys, this is the finished look. I decided to pair this with my bob wig and I think it's perfect for the look. What do you guys think? So I hope I've been able to help you with your eyeshadow tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. For liner, you can decide to do a simple liner and not apply lashes. Like I made mine a bit thicker because I knew I wanted to apply lashes on my eyes. So guys, peace out.